What's your name, sir?
Yeah, so Collin Douglas. Little youth from out of Hanover. Same time man which where we come from. That's where we born and grew up. My father from America. And started a little thing called Original Dumpling Shop. We just take off in a way which was, as me say, when we hear me say, I love, the thing, I just straight love. You know, see, straight love come out of what we do. And take it for what me say. That's all it is because at Jamaica we have tried the way we have tried. Because when the man set up them stuff to give, and the stuff to make money, most of what they know are give and get. And see them still in the business over 30 odd years business, the company, the name of the business, 30 odd years. You have to strong, the chart strong to know some boy you see in a business 30 odd years in America, brother.
And you started in the Bronx?
Yeah man, in the Bronx we start man. Start one little shop them start, we do tell them I sell fish, them I sell fish. And fish start.
That's the one on Bronx Road?
Yeah, from Bronx Road.
Okay.
And them say them sell fish and fish start go down. And me fire up and say watch out. Say to him brother say if boy the fish must spoil a week times, what you want we do? My father bring in a hot plate. I saw me a year, I saw him tell me and nobody been a hard talk from me here from me. I talk about what him tell me. And he bring in a hot plate of man for making breakfast. That time America, at the time Bronx are run hot with everything. Everything you put your hand on the cell because a yard man just a come in. Just a come in. You know, see it and he goes a boom and fly like a place and him start running it. And one man making breakfast for him. He start from a hot plate, 2 burner hot plate. Then start with. And I name this today. You know, see it? Original dumpling shop what we have, which was, people come from all over the world. So what we got. And it's the only thing we got is dumpling. When my father wake up on the morning time. You know, see it? If you don't put it in the frying pan, we put it on the fire. We nearly do what we put it on the fire and roast it. I will go to a boom and put it on the frying pan. Sometimes no oil and I. You know, see it? You have to just make sure so you know when it's done and take out it and you eat it. And then come into a fried process right now, which we have oil abundantly and we fry. People still come to eat a breakfast. And you have something like callaloo, ackee, saltfish, fried fish with it. We can't have enough. Giving is the power for clearance, you know. Because just say if you have and you give amongst your brother and sister, you will always have. And most people don't see that. They just want for themselves alone. You can't be for yourself alone in life, you know, brother. You don't see it if you have enough to make sure, say, your brother might tell you, say, tomorrow, say, boy, you're not like you and this and that. But you can't give to the words of a company more sometimes, you know. You don't see it, why you know you have to give to. And just if you always give, you have. And we, the little dumpling shop where my father and my uncle put up, them always give. If you come there and have $1, you get a 2 dumpling and a saltfish or a fish. If you come there and have something to eat, then make sure so you eat. So in the way that we always have. Might not abundantly in the way of what we say, but we said just say if you give, always give. And giving is abundantly, you have to give in abundantly. No care for the same penny we have just a piece right there, you give half five because you don't know where the next penny will come from. But if you come back because you give because of him, so. You know, so if you have whole heap, means if you have abundantly. So you have to, and riches don't come in the money. Nobody no fees, riches that come in the money and boy, I'm rich. You have to reach in a spirit, brother. You have to reach in a spirit to know what just said. Giving is the way, the path to walk.
So what
and me and you have, and we don't give, what the sense of have it? But just a foundation, just a foundation is a...
The name.
The name really catch me still and the vibes from the brother who come approach me with it. You see?
Dr.
The
Dixon.
name, Dr. Dixon come and say watch out. Well, he have a name which was he come up with what just said to him one man. And I said just said the name to you, but me feel the vibes of the youth. You know see? Me feel for him come in, me feel the vibes from it. I mean I said Jaja foundation and when my feet, man a Rasta man, a Jack grow me in the brother. Jack grow me. And I see it, and I grow up, Jah put me the strength in me every day, all day to grow myself and grow myself the way and sturdiness. You have to grow sturdy, brother. You can't grow shaky. You have to grow sturdy, you have to grow with something.
So that's why you sponsor the boat ride. That's why you
so this boat ride come up and when you say boy, we don't want sponsorship because they go towards Jamaica because me feel say we come America and work so hard in America and we can't go back and feel free to walk where we want. Me want to go to Jamaica and take I want barefoot and go anywhere I want, go anytime. So when him say I do certain things in Jamaica, I have to put towards it because I want to say, I go to the airport and I pick up, I can go anywhere in Jamaica. With the peace of knowing the fact that you have people down there watch out, make sure say the system run the way.
Yeah, help us everybody.
Yeah, man, I don't want to help you alone.
Yeah.
I want to put everybody will come around them. Everybody will come around me. You know see? I stood in my office one day. My brother come to me and say, him know my brother which part. Set up a thing I had for an ambulance thing. I say, boy, we give too much to them people, you know. And so I say to my brother, you know. And I see it and I say, boy, I'm going to try with them because I'm a mechanic. Come to him with it. And I say, alright. So, them coming in the lobby one evening and me never really sit up for them. You know see it? Because I just feel it afloat. See me like, enough of them come to you and we give them. We know you're nothing about it. So we just feel say, see me like over the past. But it's like it haunt me in a way which part the youth call me and I say, boy, alright, come check me on my office. I remember my wife so and talk to me. And she's a woman which part, if she said if she said not do this, me just follow her and I say not do it. You know see that? And she come in after and she have to say, when me know that you have me say, boy, I'm a Tony, you know. Tony say, them are join an organization for help over going to Jamaica. So I say, alright. She say, alright. Make she sleep on it because she hold the background of the thing where we are on. And she get up and say, if you want to help you, if you want to help him, it's alright. We don't help them enough because enough of them come to it. And we don't see nothing from it, we don't hear nothing from it. So I could help this one and say, I'm a Jaja Foundation, even the name why come with. You know see it? We all help him because, watch out, he said just send him so. I would just decide if we don't start trying to the eye. You know see it? And when we say right now, our meet once a long time. Yeah, the vision of me I see what they look at you bring around me, our meet once a long time. If you're a yard man, kick up and say yes, him a give and really feel like him a give. You know see that? I'm not judge no man, you know. To each his own, you know. Because I stand alone, you know. You know see it? I'm not judge no man. Why you pick up and feel so that's how you for try, that's how you for try. But really not trying, if you're real, brother. If you're not real, don't make no sense. You can only mix message you bring around a people which part you call us this and call us that and say you do this and say no. And you not do it if you do it the way if you do it. Because once you do it, brother, you not look for nothing from nothing, you know, because Johnny will say, yo, you are trying with the soldier them and you help the soldier them. That's all you have to do. And for you, the reason why me say, alright, I'll see a board and help her go on. Me feel it there. The vibes around here. The vibes are coming in your surrounding.
On to the boat ride, what were you expecting when you got there?
When we go on the boat ride, me expect to say, in the gate now, man have pat down man and go through metal detector and thing. And when me get them say body I walk through, I twist and say to them why, so what, you know, so nobody not check nobody. You know see it? But me get to understand say the name alone people want to see the name fall. And it can't fall because a Jai said.
Check guidance.
You know see it? And Jai guide me through when me go and me see hundreds of people. Me not talk about 110, 115, me talk hundreds of people. Me see a line up on this boat and me not check nobody. And I go up and get over here a buckle broke. You know see it? So I say some leadership of what we have all the time. You know see it? It's what we have a structured thing to make sure say, yo, Jamaican, we don't just come here for us to hear anymore, so hear anymore, so we want to stand for something, we stand firm for something. And Jaga Foundation, if we don't stand behind it, we don't lose. We don't have to give just give them words of positiveness. That's all I have to give.
And prayer.
Words of positiveness and prayer to know so what we don't do or what we need to do. You don't come forth for the body, don't say, oh, I'm sorry, but that's not sorry. For your time to get in because we're not hide from nobody, just come straight.
So
we're in a gimmick thing.
So we kept the boat ride and the boat then not even sail.
The boat not even sail and the party even bigger than if you sail. That's what I try to say. Brother, you hear normally look for a boat ride and they say the boat ride is supposed to sail. And this boat don't leave it back and you don't hear a pin drop. Then you know say you don't have to look behind you and you know where you're straightforward this man I go. Because people want to have with the positive people them. People want to see people come back home to Jamaica. You know, see it want to see we take the pain and go and we have fun and come back. I want to see we go home and we come and work hard and retire and go home and we're comfortable and there's no man there. That's one little country we come from strong in the brother.
Yeah.
So we come from a weak place, you know.
Why you came on board with this initiative of the Hurricane Beryl to help out St. Elizabeth?
Well, me just feel say, and a whole, if a storm I come and just send storm and no man send storm. See? So, if people need it after the storm, come. So you have to just help if you still afloat, you know see it? And if we have a pound of sugar, my brother have a pound of sugar, he'll bring you a pound of sugar. That's how we see it. You know see it? So if we're there in America and we say we feel say we're there must have for a reason because if we left free country for coming, so we must come for a reason. We can't come for joke around. No joking business, you know this. You know see it because you have to fight with staying here and fight to make sure say Not even your family in Jamaica. Jamaica itself, good for where you can live for yourself on vacation. You know see it? Because you can't stand for yourself alone. And you can't stand for your family alone. You have to stand for the who you walk around in the trad you are trad. And if you are trad clean enough, you know say you can do America and you can give back something to the cause of Jamaica. That's what you do. Because it's only right. So here I'm going in full-fledged tonight. I'm going to give you, come from me, my brother, my uncle, and my wife. We're not hold back.
Deep thanks.
We're not hold back.
Deep thanks.
You know see it?
All right.
So when you see the boat not sail now and they still we come to you and say we want to send some money to Jamaica, how that made you feel?
The boat sailing, you know. You'd be adjusting on the water, you know. When you stand firm, you know. So if we stand firm and stand, so you know we hear a pin drop, you must know say there's something about this thing which was sturdy. Because if the boat not sailing here, nobody argue. That means say what this is you know him do.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you can give the words of what you can produce, make sure that the people don't have nothing to say, and that's what boom say. If you, and tomorrow you say, boy, I want to send something to Jamaica, everybody come see him when I pot. That means the pot a boil. Yeah. And you have to stop it from boil.
So when we came to you and said we want you to sponsor this Beryl, Hurricane Beryl relief in Jamaica, you didn't hesitate.
A food being in, brother. A food eater. We in a food business, and the food business to me. You see me the one man in my family me no shut up, me no like take one of it given to me. One of it give to me, me no want it. I mean like shut up. So when I call my event and say, watch out, man, you know say, me what the thing I go on to Jamaica I want to do. You say, oh Douglas, go ahead, man, send me the bill, and that's what I want to hear. And then people me surround myself with. So me always can call by my source to make source what I do. You know see it come forth, you know see it. Yeah man.
So we're happy to have the original dumpling shop. We're happy to have you guys on board.
And give thanks to the on board.
And we thank you that when we come to you, you know, you were receptive and you had no doubt that, you know, we're trying to do the right thing for Jamaica, you know?
And we don't continue to do the right thing, you know, because the people know say right to do to help the country, you know. You know, see, but sometimes the friction when they have down at Jamaica, when if it does come to a close, they need to close up the friction going on because a man make all them friction and the friction they can't close. Because we don't have to fight against each other. We don't have to have nothing to harm each other or go against each other. We don't have to have that. We have to just live clean. And all the things is like support something to make sure that the youth them can got something to go to. Can come to high school and can go to something. That's all you have to do, you know, brother. That's all you have to do, you know, come up with something which you know, so I left school, I can go get something for you have to sit up on the street or they do something.
You know, and we didn't hesitate because we needed a location in the Bronx to drop off, and we came to you again. This is the original dumpling shop, 3435 Beechest Avenue. It's a drop off for all the Hurricane Beryl relief supplies that anybody want to bring. They can just bring it here and we know, say, you know.
Yeah, man, I just so it's set, man.
I just love the same way.
When I wash each other, brother, you have to just wash your hand and wash clean hand, brother. You see, they can't corrupting all the time. Roll a run, so. You know, see, they come from back there biblical days, but I see that the people think that we move forward now, we move forward, everybody drive car. Then turn out when they walk for us to walk. All the way over south, no way I drive car, we can buy any car you want and anything nothing like this, brother.
And correct me if I'm wrong, you're not even from St. Elizabeth?
No, man, I'm not St. Elizabeth, but I love St. Elizabeth.
Yeah.
Because every time I go yard in the feast, I have some little man over there, some little virgin if I pull up on the yard, it's like them see me, like yesterday me go there. You know, see that sometimes for years, I go there, I just fan and pull up on my blue and then see me. All me I go back and hand over to Rat, I have skill and time, I have everything what there is, I'm van to go back. You know see it? Yeah. So I don't give any parish in Jamaica, I don't give. You know why? Because at Jamaica we come from, we don't come from 14 parish. Right. We come from Jamaica, set on a little island.
We have no border.
No border we don't have. And we don't need to bother nothing.
Exactly.
You don't need to bother nothing, you know. You know see it, we just, brother, if you come to where we have to give for where we come from, we're there and we make sure that we pass the worst. With America we pass the worst. Because you have to make yourself pass the worst, you know, brother. You can't depend on people if you pass the worst, because if you want $5 a man, get $2, you know. A $5 you want, you know. Yeah. So you go look your $5, go look 10. Because you can't give 5.
So one Jamaica we say?
Yeah, one Jamaica, brother. And a parish we deal with.
Yeah, we don't deal with colour.
No, man, colour is a thing which part clothes and food deal with them things, brother. When you cook and you feast the boy because you look porridge or a little cake and anything, you put colour in the night. Human being can't have colour.
Yeah.
Human being can't have colour.
Right.
You know, see, look away you talk about this and talk about that. Human being can't have colour. Nation, we are nation. We are one
world.
One world treading everybody are trying in a different direction and the real strand clean way, nothing. Can't stop that. Just strand clean, brother.
So I want to thank
Yeah,
you.
man.
I want to thank you and your Empress Susie.
Yeah, man.
For the
my
contribution.
brother, and my brother, and my uncle.
And your brother, the whole
crew of
original dumpling shop
Yeah.
family.
You know, see that we that stand behind what you that stand behind.
I'm
Because
give-
my name not weak, you know, brother. See?
Yeah.
My name not weak.
Yeah.
Don't deal with no weakness.
Yeah, for real.
You
All
see?
right.
Yeah.
Yeah, so give thanks.
Yeah, man.
One love from the Jaja Foundation family
That's what I said,
to the
man.
original dumpling shop
Yeah.
family. One family,
Yes, I.
one Jamaica we say.
One Jamaica, we say.
All
That's a
right.
parish.
Give thanks.
Yes, I.